Hey guys, it's Emmanuel here, the Enthusiast Dakota, and today is my last video for the year. Not forever, for the year. And I'm so happy to film this video because this video is a video showing you how you can make your own Christmas hat. Now, skip to this time if you want to actually see the tutorial, but I'm just going to quickly talk about a few things. Now, number one, this banner that you see right now is going to disappear next year, because I want to build something even better to use as my back. Also, maybe not, I'm going to change this and interchange it for something else. I'm not sure, I'm just changing a lot. I'm also changing the style of it. Hint, hint, it's not like this, obviously, because I'm changing the style, but I'm very excited. I hope that when I'm doing this way that I'm thinking of doing next year, it will be able to bring me more followers, more views. But I'm not only doing it for more views, I'm also doing it so I'm extra professional and that I grow in what I'm learning. Because as you guys are learning, hopefully, I'm learning as well, and that's what I like. So now, let's get into the video. And that's the entire video. I'm so happy about this. I'm actually really glad at how it looked. This is the next day, that's why the lights are so much brighter. And I'm already wearing the same clothes so that it's a lot more coherent. Everyone, I just told you this. But let me put on this hat. This is how it looks. But like you see, I put the Alice band on. It's a really tall hat, like it's really tall. But it's super sturdy, and that's it's very surprising that it's this sturdy. But like it's 3 tiers. It looks like this. The stars like this. It's on the back. And yeah, I'm very surprised it actually works. I didn't think it was gonna work, but yeah, I'm very happy about it. Now, I'm sorry that this video was just pictures. Like I said, my equipment kind of broken, so I had to improvise, and I really wanted to film a video, my last video for this year, and I think I did it really well. So, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe if you want to, and remember, have a good day. Peace.